Well, hello you, how are you doing? It's been a while, hasn't it, since I've done a taste test review of one of my wines I've made up. The wife and the baby jumped on the ferry this morning to go on a day trip into town. To go to the library, do some errands and do some run around shopping type of thing. And she missed the boat. It's the only boat back this evening and she missed it. So, she's staying over in town in a B&B. Chances are she's having Chinese takeaways, something tasty to eat, so I'm going to do a taste test on my parsnip wine. Oh yes. I made this probably January, February time, and I am most impressed with it. I've had a bottle already this evening because, well, whilst the wife's away, what do? You mess around, don't you? You have a glass or two of wine, so yeah, I'm really impressed with it. It could do with a bit more maturing, so I'm going to lay the rest of the bottles down for another 3, 4, 5 months, maybe until the winter comes. So shall we jump into it? Come on then. I didn't mean to come out of the closet just then. Oh well, right then. Wine. Pour. I am really liking the look of this. It's so clear. Has a slight coloration, which is what you'd expect from a homebrewed wine. This parsnip wine is probably one of my favourite homebrew wines I've made. Definitely up there with mushroom wine. It's sweet, delicate on the palate, refreshing, really, I don't know what it is about root veg, but when I made a turnip wine, it tasted just like watermelons. To be honest, this one does as well. There's a slight watermelonish taste. The aftertaste is definitely watermelons. And I can't explain it. I have potato and I have carrot wine maturing, and they are going to be taste tested before too long. All my winter root veggies are looking brilliant. So anyway, taste test. Come on. Very subtle on the nose it is, but on the taste buds it is dancing, lively. That sweetness of the parsnip, it seems like you're eating a big bowl of mashed parsnips. If you like mashed parsnips, this is the wine for you. It is awesome. Creamy as well, that's creamy, parsnippy, with lots of butter and nutmeg added as well. That's how it tastes. Really like it. Definitely one to be served on its own, nice and chilled. Maybe with a dessert of some sort, I would. Just on its own, by the fire, or enjoy a bottle or two on the sofa when the wife's away. You have nothing better to do than just have a glass or two of wine. Parsnip wine, I definitely rate it. And I'll definitely make this again, this recipe. Oh yes. So anyway, I'm off to chillax on the sofa for a bit, and I'll see you all soon. Have fun!